Show you guys how to make a rubber band gun that is super easy to make. Just popsicle sticks, rubber bands, and glue, and like some scissors and a knife. So it's super simple, and it's just gonna be able to shoot rubber bands at like the press of a button, and you can just keep on reloading it and reloading, just have more shots. So it's super cool, and stay tuned. Bands, some scissors strong enough to cut popsicle sticks, a knife, 5 popsicle sticks, super glue, and a hot glue gun. 2 popsicle sticks, get your scissors, just cut one, like a straight enough line that you can. Cut it off, and then with the second one, you want to line it up exactly the same, and then just hot glue them together. Both of these pieces, cover both pieces you hot glue together and hot glue a good enough coating so that they stick good, and then put it in the middle of both popsicle sticks, and then make sure it's coming a little like off center so you have more space in the front than in the back. Okay, once you have both of them glued, this is just like a preference to make it look better. But what I did is just cut the front off, just so it looks better. I think it's like an arrow design, like a cool design, and just cut the back if you want to. This is all optional, you don't need to. Tip off of another popsicle stick, and then just cut this popsicle stick into like 5 sections. Super glue them together. The reason why I'm using super glue and not hot glue is because super glue works way better, have a stronger seal than hot glue, because hot glue is messy. Now when you're done, make sure the line is pretty straight, and then you're done with that part. Glue this one onto here, but make sure there's like about not half, but like almost half, like a good decent amount of space behind. Okay, once that's dry, the 3 other pieces that you cut, and then glue them together. A little bit, just to give it an edge, so then it wasn't completely flat. And then what you want to do is just glue it about like at the end of that piece. Chunk of a popsicle stick and a rubber band, one of the 2 rubber bands. Put the popsicle stick where it's about like touching the first block and resting on the second block, and then rubber band it. And then while you have a rubber band on, do your thing and roll the montage.